Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to view Apple ID password on iPhone. So first of all, you have to open up your passwords application. On your passwords application, among all of your passwords, you have to search for Apple. Once you search for Apple, you will see your Apple ID on the front. So you simply have to click on it and you will be able to view your Apple ID password. But if your Apple ID password is not saved over here, you have to close this application and then open a web browser. On your web browser, you have to click on these three dots that are present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Password Manager. On your Password Manager, you again have to search for Apple. Once you search for Apple, you will be able to easily view your Apple ID password on your iPhone. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.